Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover further values for RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. And here we are declaring three variables by referring the IBM official website. And once the variable declaration is done, then we are good to hit the command. So I am writing RTVSYSVAL and then taking F4 over it. Now you can see there we can pass two things. First one is the system value which we want to retrieve from the system, and second is the variable where we want to hold that value. Now to know more about these value, you can press F1 on this screen, and once you press F1 it will open a help screen for you where you can find all the information regarding the value that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command. So after getting the information, you can directly copy the value name from here, and then you can paste in that field along with the variable which we want to where we want to hold the output. Okay, so these are the value that we have already covered in our previous session. Today we are going to cover the value which is this one, multi-thread job action. This value controls the action to be taken when a function they may not thread safe is called. Okay, so what are the possible outcome? First one means perform the function that is not thread safe without sending a message. Second means perform the function that is not thread safe and send an informational message. Third means do not perform the function that is not thread safe. Okay, now second value we are going to discuss is QMODEL, which is system model number, the number of letters used to identify the model of the system. You cannot change QMODEL, but 4 characters value can be displayed or retrieved in user written programs. The system model number system value is the same in each partition on the system. Now doing page down, this is the third value we are going to discuss, which is month of the year, not used for Julian date. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So now we got the information, we will just simply copy the value name here along with the variable where we want to hold the output. So once these three lines got executed, we will get the output, and then we are printing it with the help of snd pgm msg command. So just simply write snd pgm msg and pass the variable inside that, and then once it is printed, we will see the output. Let's see by compiling it. It is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. First output is 2, second is 41G, third is 02. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the value from the system. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.